Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin on runway with engines warm. First, confirm loadout and fuel to avoid trim surprises. Taxi using moderate throttle and keep gear down until rotation speed. Once aligned, rotate smoothly to avoid tail strike. Retract gear after positive climb and clean flaps. Make sure to activate radar and set target tracking mode. While climbing, jettison drop tanks when safe to regain energy. This sequence gets you airborne with combat systems live and ready for interception. You now manage energy and sensors. Transition to cruise at radar-clean altitude, keeping speed high enough to avoid getting targeted in turns. When you detect bogeys, switch to TWS to braid tracks, then lock one in SDT for an AIM-7 shot. Fire beyond visual range only when PIP is steady, otherwise close to with an IR envelope, and use sidewinders. Manage countermeasures, deploy flares and ECM sparingly, and reposition using vertical maneuvers to keep merge advantage. You finish by setting up a stable approach, bleed speed gradually and lower gear and flaps on schedule. Use speed brakes to trim descent and convert excess energy into a safe touchdown instead of steep dives. Once on final, align with runway and flare for a firm but controlled landing. If systems glitch, cycle the radar or avionics power and verify key bindings. If locks drop, switch to manual IR sighting and conserve ammo while you hammer back into a stable engagement or recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.